In the far-off land of Punt, where the wild and untamed roamed free, there emerged a being unlike any other, a fierce, lion-headed guardian, Bees. Born of nature's raw strength, he was not majestic like Ra or mysterious like Osiris, but small, stout and fearsome, with eyes that saw through darkness and a face that struck fear into evil itself. Bess's journey from protector of the wild to guardian of the people is a tale of courage, joy, and unwavering devotion. In his early days, Bees joined Ra on his nightly voyage through the underworld. When the chaos serpent Apep attacked, Bees leaped to the bow of the barge. His grotesque visage and roaring laugh turned the serpent to confusion, and his dagger struck fear into its heart. For his valor, Bees was hailed as a protector of light against the forces of darkness. But Bees was no god of distant heavens. He longed to protect not only the divine but also the weak and vulnerable on earth. When a mother in labor called out for help, Bees answered. He stood at her bedside, his fierce eyes blazing as he frightened away the demons lurking in the shadows. The mother laughed as she held her child, and Bees too smiled, for he had found his purpose. Not all battles are fought with weapons. When the goddess Hathor fell into despair, Bees approached with his lyre and a jolly dance. His antics made even the goddess of love laugh, and her joy was restored. From that day, Bees became known not only as a protector, but also as a bringer of happiness and celebration. As time passed, Bees became the guardian of all homes. He watched over children as they slept, driving away nightmares. His image was carved on amulets and mirrors, ensuring beauty and warding off envy. No grand temple was ever built for Bees, but his likeness adorned every household where he protected families with his magic and fierce love. The legend of Bees is not one of grand temples or cosmic battles, but of everyday heroism. He stood not in the halls of gods, but in the homes of the people, a protector, a jester, a friend. Bez remains eternal, guarding humanity from the shadows and bringing light to the darkest corners of life. And that is the legend of Bees, the god of protection, joy, and the enduring power of love.